right, hey guys, welcome back to another DOY Creations video. I am Jeanette, aka Soraya, and before I get started, you guys know I always like to give glory, honor, and praise to the Most High Yah. All right, guys, so I'm getting ready to go into Walmart. I need to pick up a couple of items, so let's go in here and see if they have any yarn on clearance. We can look, right? Let's go. The clearance. I'm in the clearance, but ooh, these masks have you, so ain't nobody gonna be able to hear what you're saying. So far, I'm not seeing any yarn. Is that real gold for $1.78? That's fancy though. Y'all. Uh-oh. Who that reminds you of? Please. Hi, package from husband. Who does that remind you of? Huh? I'm not going to say the name. I'm going to see if you guys can guess. Leave it in the comments. When you order so much yarn that you have to hide it from your husband. Who has to do that? But anyway, I'm in the clearance aisle. And so far, there's no yarn over here that's on clearance. So, let's just go to the regular yarn, y'all. Let's go to the regular yarn because there's nothing in the clearance. Oh, so Walmart has the color blocks. Not color blocks, but if you want to, blocking boards. Oh, this is something new. That is something new, guys. I'm trying to see if there's anything new, guys. Let me tell you, yes, there is something new. You guys notice that the shells are more fuller. You notice the shells are filled to its capacity, at least on this end here. Have you guys noticed that? Now, because they was filling up everything, right? I guess everybody is just buying up the Red Heart. Red Heart is my go-to yarn as well. But, so I know this is not on their end. This is on our end because we're buying up the yarn. But these shells look a whole lot fuller. Let me show y'all something else. Remember how they didn't have any sewing machines? Look at there, y'all. Singer. I don't know if it's the $78 price, $76 price, or if it's the $150. But they do have a few of the sewing machines back in. Y'all know when the pandemic first started, you couldn't find any sewing machines. And then this is all the mainstay. So I'm excited about that, guys. Now, they don't have anything on clearance. I'm trying to see, do I need that black yarn up there? I don't know. Again, they don't have anything on clearance, but they do have the shells full, filled in case I wanted to just get busy with it. All right. Yep. All right, guys. So no clearance yarn in Walmart, but that's okay because it's not like I need any yarn right now. I just like to go in there and check it out and see what they have available. But are you guys as excited as I am? I was very happy to see the yarn shells more fuller than they have been. I get tongue twisted, y'all, but they are full, and I'm happy about that. You know what I mean? It just, I don't know. I'm happy about it. I go to Walmart's the first place I go when I'm going. If I'm missing out on any color yarn, Walmart's is my nearest craft store. I'll go to any of the other ones, y'all, but Walmart's is the clearest one to me. Okay. Walmart's is the closest one to me. So that's why I'm happy when the shelves are, full. But anyway, guys, thank you for hanging out with me today. I appreciate it so very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit your bell settings to all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm working on some things, so I'll be back to share with you guys what I'm working on with the yarn I already have in my home. Okay. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Always remember, y'all, Psalm 68:4 in your King James Version. Always keep your life and your health in check. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.